In this video, we're going to apply 16th notes, 8th notes, 8th rests, and quarter notes to the chirp. If you're new here, or if you haven't done so already, do us a favor and click the subscribe button. Then grab your sheet music. You'll find a link to it in the description below. Alright, let's get started. The tempo is at 85 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you know by now, we have to be accurate with our counting. So this time, we're going to focus on the count to the best of our ability, while trying to be in time with our strokes. We don't want to rush or drag the beat. If you rush the count, it means that you're ahead of the beat. If you drag, it means that you're behind the beat. We want to be right in time. If at any time you're having any difficulties, you might want to slow down the tempo. All right, let's count off number 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move on to the next rhythm and continue to concentrate on the accuracy of our counting. We now know that we don't want to come in too early or too late, but at the same time, we don't want to play on the 8th rest. Playing on the rest can be a common mistake while learning a new rhythm. Let's concentrate on playing in time while making sure we are not playing during the rest. Okay, let's dive into number 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. With our last rhythm, let's put everything together. We're going to count out loud and play in time. We're going to get a clean and consistent sound. Our strokes are going to sound crisp and clear and be evenly spaced apart. And we are not going to play during the rest. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We hope that you enjoyed this video. For premium content as well as our book, check out our website scratchingmadeeasy.com. Our structured learning method takes all the mystery out of scratching, and with consistent practice, it will take your scratching to the next level. Thanks for watching. See you next time.